1966 Chevy C10. Look, you can see that where we connected it. Anyways, he just wants to get it back on the road, so he's working on it. So we left the stocks here on this side, and this side's about 20 years old, worth of old pipe. Still got meat on it. Then we cut it there, and then he brought his own Thrush Mufflers, part number 17633, right there. And right there, so we installed 2 new Thrush Mufflers for him to complete the old look. So they do still make Thrush, guys. Look at that. Thrush! So the tailpipes don't go in the middle like normal cars. They go right beside the spring and the tire. See it? So we custom bent them there and right there. You can see it a little bit better right there. Look at that. So we custom bent them out on each side and out the back. 2.5 inch. There and there. Really clean, really nicely done, as you guys can see. All right, really nicely done. Thrush Mufflers out the back. There's the 2.5 inch tailpipes out the back. It didn't have no tailpipes. It just had 2 cherry bombs that he just slapped on it just to get it here, right there. So we're about to let you guys hear it. Stay tuned. Sounds a lot better. It's got that classic sound, classic cruise. Here's sound decibel. Again. As you guys can see, like I was telling you, it's still a work in progress. Can't go wrong with the sheet of plywood. Oh yeah, but they don't make them like this anymore, man. You can't find them.
It's got to warm up for it to run right.
Yeah, that's a big truck. You like it? It's warming up. The choke needs to be fixed on it. Still stays running, that's all that matters. It's cool. Let you guys hear on the inside. C10. Decibel out of the C10. That's awesome.